diagnose it, and then we're going to replace the OPDA, which is a common issue, and we're going to see if that fixes it.
So this would obviously be much easier with the ratchet attachment. But you see, just like that, they come out by hand. They're that loose. It's that easy. So I'm gonna do that side. Alright, now before you take this out, there is an alignment that you need to do. You need to rotate the engine to the top dead center. And there is this alignment hole right here. You need this hole, in order to see it, you gotta get this over here, so that aligns. See right now? Right now it's locked. You need to rotate the engine. Alright, so after running into a little hiccup, I got this new OPDA installed. As you can see, it's not exactly in the same position as it was. It's because I actually went to go turn the Jeep on and the Jeep wouldn't start. And after a little troubleshooting, I found out that something must have went wrong when I took it out. I must have not taken it out with the pin all the way in. It must have moved around a little bit. But the engine got off top dead center, and when that happens, when cylinder 1 is off top dead center, then it will not start. The spark plugs are all off, the order of how they fire. So I had to remove everything, and I had to come under here, and I had to put my 19mm back on the main pulley right there. And I don't know if you can see it, but right up there, there is a little hook that comes off of the engine block. That comes right over the pulley, if you see that little ledge that comes above it. But there's a little indentation on the pulley itself, and that needs to be lined up right underneath that to be at top dead center. That little indentation is hard to see without the pulley completely removed, but I was able to do it from the ground. I just kind of saw where I last saw the indentation, and then just went for another few centimeters or so, and then felt around up there, and it seemed like it was all lined up. And I had to reinstall this. Reinstalled all this and went to go start the Jeep, and it started. So it seemed like I got top dead center there. Anyways, the ticking is gone. I'm glad to report that. And yeah, everything seems fine. So if you happen to run into any issues like that where the Jeep doesn't start, you have to get the engine to top dead center. That's the issue.